Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a slime video. As you can probably tell from the title, I'm going to be showing you my slime. These are not going to stay, but it's for my tips and tricks as well. No, hacks even. Same thing as tips. I don't know why I said tricks, but okay, so let's get started. So if you're going first hack. I'm going to do hacks and then I'm going to show you. So if we're going on holiday and you want to bring back a place that you can drive to and you want to take slime, just get like a loom band thing and you can fill it up with many slimes instead of taking their big containers like these or these, like metal ones, like I have. So you can see, metal. You can just bring one. It is quite big, but you can fit 10, small, like medium sized, and then you can fit, well, you can fit, depending on how many of these you have, you can fit 15 if you have these, or you could, if you have like a massive one you want to take, you can just put it in this part. So yeah, number doors. If your slime is sticky, I'm pretty sure everyone knows this, like let's say this one, I'll show you, I'll take it out because it's really sticky. I did put mine in. And then what you want to do is you can put it in the fridge. Or put it, so first you want to put it in the fridge. Then, yeah, so you put it in the fridge. Then you just like wait a bit. So yeah. That's meant to be on there because I just need to get it on my hand. Just because then hopefully it makes the slime de-stick a bit more. Maybe it doesn't. Or is that hack fake? That's what we'll be seeing today. Does it make it stick more? I think it does. So let's go. Hopped at the plane at LAX. So that's stuck in my head. Okay, let's try to get this slime out. Okay, let's see. It's this one. So I'm going to move it into the container over here. I'm going to try to get as much as I can into it and then go into that. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. So I'll try to be as quick as I can. Sorry if this is like really boring, but I'm just trying to get this out because it's like really sticky. This is good. As much out as possible. Okay, so I got it to the last container. Now it's just. Oh, geez, I don't want the other one. I forgot about that one. As you can see, there is still some left like these. But that is fine. There we go. So now that's just. So here's the first slime that I have. It's very sticky, but very clicky. So let's do some slime ASMR. It's really annoying how it's like really sticky. Normally I just keep this one in the container, but I had to take it out for this video. Okay, hack number 2. So I'm just gonna do it while this one's up. So if you don't want to bring like then you don't want to bring. Okay, only 10 minutes. But you don't want to bring so many containers. What you do is you can just buy these containers. So like they're big. You can like buy any size, and then they'll have like different like so it'll be like down like so say down the middle and then down there and then down there and down there. So yeah, it like can carry 2, 8. I don't know. 6 slimes there. 6 slimes, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 6 slimes. But the bigger ones can hold more. Small ones can hold 6. That is still a lot. I don't even know 6 slimes. But depending on how big your slimes are. And you can like remove the slots to get them bigger, like space. So yeah, hack number 3. I forgot where you can buy it. Hack number 3 is when you're picking up sticky slime and you don't want to get like all over your hands and stuff. Because you like just got it off. Yeah, so what you do is you take the container and it's like, you might need to touch it like once, or you can use a lid, and you can just go like this. No, you don't need to touch it. So it's like really tricky with sticky slime. So you need to bunch it up and then you just make sure that you're getting it all. Okay, it's really hard. This sticky slime. And it's go like that. It does work, trust me, because I've done it with my other one. Maybe it's just not working with this one because it's so sticky. So, or what you could do is you could take the lid and just scoop it in. Try not to get that tattoo out of it. There we go. As you can see, this thing is like the world's stickiest slime. Well, not the world, but like it's like really sticky. It's my stickiest slime. I got this on my school fun day yesterday. Oh, so, as you can see, these containers are terrible. They're really good. Well, they're not terrible. They're just like easy to break. That's what I was meaning. Now let's just rub that on my table for the other slime to pick up. You know. Jeez. Hey. How you doing? I'm doing good. Okay, let's get out the other one. This one, trust me, is not as sticky. Like I can like pick it up and play with it. It'll still stick to you, but not as much as that one. I don't know. I'm just really tired. Because like I had to wake up and I went to bed late. And you know, well, obviously I had to wake up because like I'm awake now. But like I had to wake up really early, like 8. And I went to bed like 11. I know, probably like that's not late for a Saturday night. But when you have to wake up at 8, it's kind of pretty late. So if you can see this, I'm so sorry. So let's try that one with, let's try that technique with this slime. Anyway. So, look, you just go like this. So you create it into a little bunch. You can either use your fingers or the container. I personally like to use my fingers. And then, why is it not working? Oh my god, I swear, like legit, it works. So you just make it into a nice small pan. And then go like this. Yeah, maybe it's just not working. Okay, maybe don't use that technique. Unless it works for you. So yeah, I only have 3 hacks because that's all I can think of. One of them isn't the best. Hey, how you doing, girl? I'm doing just fine. I know it doesn't say girl, it says well. I don't care. Really, I don't care. So let's just do a proper ASMR this time. Pull up the sleeves. Okay, let's go. Sorry if you just heard my brother there, because he's got his friend over. Look, bubbles grew. And then you pop them. So yeah, that is the slime. It's pretty good. So yeah, I really like these slimes because I like the smell and the slime I have. So as you can see, I'm just doing this technique again. And then I left it in. Okay, you just have to go really fast. Because you can't go like... Otherwise it'll obviously stick to you. So yeah, I have these like cute little like slime stickers on them. So the next slime is our butter slime. So we'll make clicky noises like this. So yeah, it's just this brown butter slime. This video probably isn't that much about hacks. It's more like about slimes. So yeah. So that's this slime. And put them back into their normal containers just because I don't like to keep them in there. Like, I can't, but like, I don't want to. Okay, so the next slime used to be a clear slime, but now it's gone all cloudy because like, me, my friends, my brother, my mom, my dad have touched it. So it's more of like a putty, but like still stretches, then it just breaks. So yeah, that's this one basically because this one's got the metal container. So I'm going to let then I'll put it back on. Here it is. And then the last one has got another metal container. Okay, I'll give you a hint. It's a color. It's orange. So again, it's like putty. It's why I'm doing these ones last. It's gonna look really hard because it's not like really hard, but like I'm gonna just make it softer. You could just use whatever. I just like to use that. It doesn't like do anything, it just makes it softer. It might make it a little bit sticky. And then you just knead it. It doesn't leave any residue. See? So yeah. So that's this one. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what your favourite slime was. Mine, probably this one. Even though it's sticky, it's a little like it. Wait, is this one? Is it this one? Wait, listen to this. Did you hear that? Please say it, because that's like the best noise ever. It was like very quiet. Oh, this is the bad one. Because it's got the crack in the lid. Or maybe I mixed up the lids. Where's this one? I think this is the bottom. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.